Well, hello everybody. It's been a while. I hope you enjoyed the files from the cameraman. He's very big on his Durango, as you can probably tell. Oh, I got the camera a little crooked. But yeah, I've been stupid busy. I have a lot of life-changing events going on in my personal life right now, so I haven't been able to fully be involved with the channel, I guess you could say. I mean, I'm still here when he updates. I'm still in communication. I haven't just like exiled myself and whatever, you know. But anyways, regardless, I'm headed over to the shop right now. I don't know why, you know. I don't like to give the boys too much of a hard time, but if I'm not consistent and stay over there, hell, even if I am consistent and stay over there, if we don't get it onto each other, typically the shop gets to be a wreck, and right now it's pretty well trashed, just working on projects in and out. Anytime I've been over there, like, it's been like so quick, just such quick hits. I've been there and out, you know, within 30-40 minutes. Really I'm not even doing anything to film, I'm just doing. So yeah, I noticed I was over there last night picking up some tables, moving stuff to storage units and stuff. So I noticed I need a little cleaning. I'll probably give you a time lapse of the cleaning. Oh, my hair is on some other level. I need a haircut. But regardless, time lapse of cleaning, and then we'll get into whatever I have for the F100 later on in this video, hopefully. Alright, so pulled up. First order of business. The lawnmower's broke down. But what the...
Bro, chill.
You done got it dirty. But yeah, the lawnmower...
Bro, that's her.
Bro, I'm recording right now.
Alright, that's her.
We're gonna cut that out. First order of business is we have to get the lawnmower fixed so my stepdad can get back to cutting the grass. There's the door to the Acadia. We got the Acadia sorted out. I don't really know if we talked much about this or showed this on the channel. This is my wife's future car. It was completely destroyed on the front end right here, but we just got to get an alignment done on it and a new tail light. She's ready to rip, but time to get the lawnmower fixed and clean the shop.
Yeah.
All right. My New Year's resolution was to quit drinking, but beer, and I love the boys. That's kind of gay.
Yeah.
But so I've been drinking NAs this year, and I feel way better now that I've quit drinking. But aside from all that, we're gonna set up a time lapse. We're gonna try to get this lawnmower fixed, because alright, bro. The lawnmower basically was just having a battery issue. It wouldn't get, it didn't have enough amps to kick the blades on, right? It didn't have enough to engage the blades is all it was. So now we made even more of a mess because the block has a little hairline crack in the back of it and pours oil out of it, but good mosquito repellent. So he's happy, he's good. Now we got to try to do something with all of this. I just got y'all dizzy as hell. We're about to go take this load off because we're damn near full. I guess we'll carry y'all with us to the dump. It doesn't really work. Why are you recording me? Alright, so the shop is way cleaner than it was. My tools are still yeah. But the little surprise. What are you looking at? I can fit. What do you mean? My surprise for the video is I asked a question in a YouTube short about what we should do for a fuel tank.
A gas tank?
Yeah, well, I already knew what I was gonna do, but I just wanted to get some ideas to see if I liked anybody else's better, and I didn't. So let's take this over here. We already took a sneak peek at it, but
What's in the box?
what is in the box is a 1970 Mustang fuel tank. This is gonna go in between the frame rails, which I might be able to show you right here. From what everyone has said, oh no, it'll slide in. Well, no, I think, yeah, it should slide in there like that. Might be a little bit tight. We're gonna shove it back. This will be somewhere in this general area in the middle. And we're gonna put a fuel door on it, integrated with the bed. That's the fuel tank solution for the truck.
Sweet.
But it's late, it's hot, it's Georgia heat time.
But we can't even see you.
Oh, well, yeah, we're calling it a day. We straightened the shop up pretty good. I still got to organize the tools. There's a lot more to clean up. We filled up the dumpster. We got to wait for them to dump it so we can keep hauling the stuff off. But yeah, this is the, I guess, surprise at the end of the video if you stuck around.